Okay, friends, does your Roomba have issues? Our Roomba has issues all the time. I really like Roomba, but sometimes Roomba has issues. So, I am going to show you how to handle some of the issues. Quickly. The very first issue tonight is, look at that. One of our brushes is missing. Go figure. All right, so we need to replace that. The other thing we need to do is we need to replace the air filter. The air filter you're going to find is here, underneath the, where the vacuum sucks all the dirt out. Anyway, we're gonna replace that as well. So stick around, I'll be right back. All right, friends, so that was on there, and I took that one off. Now, I always have a supply of Roomba essentials. You're going to need the sweeping brush, and you're always going to need some filters. I would also have the disposable bags as well. So I took that one off. I also found some carpet wrapped around that, so I cleaned that up as well. There's the culprits off of there. And now I'm about to take the filter off and replace that. Kind of hard to do one-handed. So, like magic, there's that. We're gonna dump that there. All right. We're going to, right, and Roomba is good as new can be. So we're gonna put Roomba on the charger. I'm probably gonna quickly clean these little charging pieces so it'll charge a little bit better, and we'll see how it goes. So there you go. There is Tuesday evening with the Roomba. Have a good night.